A new contender has entered the action camera arena, and it's making waves. The DJI Osmo Action 5 is set to take on the reigning champion, GoPro's Hero 12 Black. Can it topple the king of action cameras? Let's dive into the details and find out if the Osmo Action 5 can claim the crown. Both the DJI Osmo Action 5 and GoPro Hero 12 Black are designed to be rugged and waterproof, built to handle tough conditions. However, they approach their designs differently. The Osmo Action 5 features a unique squared-off body and includes dual 1.3-inch touchscreens, one on the front and one on the back. This design makes it easy to frame shots from any angle, which is great for vloggers and selfie lovers. In contrast, the Hero 12 Black sticks with a traditional rear touchscreen and a small front LCD that provides basic information. Under the hood, rumors suggest the Osmo Action 5 is equipped with a powerful new processor that could enable smooth 4K recording at 120 FPS and possibly 5K recording at 60 FPS. This might give it an edge over the Hero 12 Black in terms of recording capabilities. Both cameras are praised for their electronic image stabilization. Rock steady for DJI and hyper smooth for GoPro, they both ensure stable footage even during intense activities. While official specifications are still to be confirmed, leaks indicate the Osmo Action 5 will feature a high-resolution 12MP sensor, promising detailed and vibrant images. The Hero 12 Black, on the other hand, has a 1.9-inch sensor known for its ability to capture wide and immersive footage, which is ideal for social media content. We'll need to wait for independent reviews to determine how these cameras perform in real-world scenarios. The DJI Osmo Action 5 might have a notable advantage with its next-generation processor, which is expected to offer not only smoother high frame rate recording but also overall faster performance. This could mean quicker boot times, more responsive menus, and faster file transfers. While the Hero 12 Black also has a strong processor, the Osmo Action 5 might lead in raw processing power. When it comes to pricing, DJI has often priced its Osmo Action cameras more competitively compared to GoPro's flagship models. The Osmo Action 5 is expected to be priced at $299, making it a potentially more budget-friendly choice without compromising on performance. There's no official word yet on the release date for the Osmo Action 5, but based on previous release patterns, it might launch sometime in August 2024. The Hero 12 Black is already available, so if you need an action camera right away, it's the immediate choice. The DJI Osmo Action 5 is shaping up to be a serious contender against the GoPro Hero 12 Black. With its rumored powerful processor, dual touchscreens, and competitive pricing, it offers strong value for action camera enthusiasts. However, the Hero 12 Black remains a formidable option with its excellent image quality, proven reliability, and extensive accessory range. Ultimately, the best camera for you will depend on your specific needs. If you prioritize dual screens, cutting-edge processing power, and a potentially lower price, the Osmo Action 5 could be your best bet. If you value established performance, a wide range of accessories, and advanced sensor technology, the Hero 12 Black is still a solid choice. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel.